Hello everybody and welcome to Z's Soda Sampling. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I was improving my setup here. Got me a shelf here, put all my stuff on it. Got me a new chair. Awesome new chair. Yep. It's been a while, but and I was sick for like a week. And I'm still kind of a little sick, but back. Uh, so today, what do we have today? Today we have a Ghost Energy Bubblicious Strawberry Splash. Oh yeah, Bubblicious. But yeah, we will find out if it's any good today. All right, all right. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a sample. Let's give it a sample. It smells not very strong. Like there's a faint strawberry smell. Very, very faint. Very faint. Huh. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Hmm. That's like... That's like... It's weird because it's like... It's like they're trying to mimic the flavor and the feeling, like the flavor of the actual stuff. Like it's based off of a gum flavor, right? Bubblicious. It tastes like they're trying to mimic the idea of you actually like putting the gum in your mouth, like because it's like it's not just like a like a strawberry drink. It's like it really does taste like strawberry gum. Like, damn. Like it's like not it's the exact amount of flavor you would expect from chewing a piece of gum. Like it's not any more than that. It's not any less than that. It's exactly how much you would expect. So wow. Yeah, it's pretty tame. It is not. It is not overpowering at all. It's pretty tame. Like, yeah, it's really, it's really good. Like, I was expecting it to be like very, very strawberry, like pretty like intense, but no, no, it's not really. I don't know. But yeah, I'd give this give it a hmm. Ooh. I'll give it it's like a 6, I guess. I'll give it a 6. It's pretty good, but like I don't know. I would prefer if it was just like more strawberry, like myself. I get what they're going for here, but I would prefer if it was more strawberry. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.